Welcome to my channel. Why does my printer keep going offline? Best fixes explained. 1. Check power Wi-Fi. Make sure the printer is turned on properly and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer or laptop. A weak or disconnected network can make the printer appear offline. 2. Restart devices. Turn off the printer and computer for about 30 seconds, then turn them back on. Restarting devices refreshes the network connection and fixes temporary glitches. 3. Set as default printer. Open printer settings on your computer and set your printer as the default printing device. Sometimes Windows selects another printer automatically. 4. Disable offline mode. Go to the printer queue settings and uncheck the Use Printer Offline option. This allows the printer to communicate normally with your PC again. 5. Clear print queue. Delete all pending or stuck print jobs from the queue. Old print tasks can stop new documents from printing properly. 6. Reconnect to Wi-Fi. Run the wireless setup on your printer again and reconnect it to your home or office Wi-Fi network for a stable connection. 7. Update drivers. Download and install the latest printer drivers from the manufacturer's official website to improve performance and fix connection issues. 8. Check cables. If you are using a USB or Ethernet cable, make sure it is securely connected and not damaged or loose. 9. Restart print spooler. Open Windows Services, find the print spooler service, and restart it. This helps fix many common printer communication problems. 10. Reinstall printer. Remove the printer from your computer settings and add it again. Reinstalling creates a fresh connection and often solves offline errors. Thanks for watching.